Are you excited to dive into Rails 5.1 and configure built-in system tests with RSpec? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to simplify this process and help you get your tests up and running smoothly. I totally understand the struggle of setting up system tests. Many developers face challenges when trying to integrate new features into their existing test suites. You're not alone in this journey. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to configure Action Dispatch system test case within the context of RSpec. They mentioned their current setup and expressed frustration over the lack of resources. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what exactly is the issue? The built-in system tests in Rails 5.1 are designed to simplify testing, but integrating them with RSpec can be tricky. We'll break down the steps to make this process easier for you. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a special tip that will make your testing process even smoother. You won't want to miss it. To begin configuring Action Dispatch system test case with RSpec, the user should first ensure that their Rails application is using the correct version. This means having Rails 5.1 or later installed. Next, the user needs to create a new test file for their system tests. This file should be located in the spec system directory of their Rails application. In this new test file, the user should define their system test using RSpec syntax. They can start by requiring the necessary Rails helper and then defining the feature they want to test. The user should also ensure that they have the necessary setup for their tests. This includes creating any required data using FactoryBot and ensuring the user is logged in before running the test. Finally, the user can run their system tests using RSpec. They can do this by executing the RSpec command in the terminal, which will run all tests in the spec system directory. Fun fact, did you know that Rails 5.1 introduced system tests to help developers write more effective integration tests? It's a game changer. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, as of RSpec version 3.6.0, RSpec is not compatible with Rails' built-in system test integration. However, they noted that compatibility is currently being worked on through a specific pull request. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your gems updated. This ensures compatibility and access to the latest features, making your testing experience smoother. And there you have it. You should now be able to configure Action Dispatch system test case with RSpec effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Rails development.